Welcome to Tale Tinker, where stories come to life. Discover magical adventures, friendly characters, and endless imagination, one tale at a time. The Windstorm Fairies. One Sunday morning, Lisa was playing in her garden, watching butterflies dance around the flowers. Suddenly, a strong wind began to howl, bending the trees and scattering petals everywhere. Lisa dashed inside, her curly hair whipping around behind her. When the storm calmed, she went back out to see if her flowers were okay. That's when she noticed something unusual in the garden. A little shimmering glow coming from under the cluster of daisies. Curious, Lisa knelt down and gently parted the flowers. To her amazement, she saw 3 tiny fairies, no bigger than her pinky finger, huddled together and trembling. They had delicate wings, but they were tattered and torn, and their sparkles seemed dim. "Oh no, are you hurt?" Lisa whispered. The tiniest fairy looked up, her voice soft and musical. "Oh, we're not hurt, but we have been blown far from our home in Willow Wood. The wind's so strong, we couldn't hold on." "My name is Lisa," she said. "I will try to help you find your way back." The largest fairy, who had golden hair and wore a leaf green dress, stepped forward. "Oh, thank you, Lisa. I'm Marlowe, and this is my brother Finn and my little sister Pippa." Lisa carefully cupped her hands, and the fairies climbed aboard. "Let's start by finding some supplies to fix your wings," she said, looking at them and taking her to her bedroom, where she rummaged through her craft box. She laid out shiny ribbons, tissue paper, and glitter. "Oh, these should work." Marlowe smiled. "Thank you, Lisa. Your kindness is magical." Lisa worked with the fairies to repair their wings and carefully cut tissue paper into tiny shapes. Pippa sprinkled glitter and Finn tied delicate knots. As they worked, the fairies told Lisa about their home in the Willow Wood, where the trees were always full of singing birds and glowing mushrooms lit up the nights. Once the wings were fixed, Lisa carried them carefully back outside. "Now we just need to find out where Willow Wood is," she said. "But where is it?" Marlowe pointed to the horizon. "'Tis far away, beyond the meadow, but with our wings repaired, we should be able to make it." Lisa thought for a moment. "The wind might blow again. I have an idea." She went to the shed and found a small box from a tea set. With soft fabric in the inside, it became a cozy carriage. Lisa tied it to her kite string and flew it gently like a hot air balloon. The fairies climbed in, waving. "You are the best friend a fairy could have," said Pippa, her tiny voice full of gratitude. As Lisa carefully guided the kite, they passed fields and hills until they saw a shimmering glow in the distance. "That's Willow Wood!" cried Marlowe. Lisa lowered the kite and the fairies climbed out, hugging her. "Thank you, Lisa," said Finn. "We will never forget you and your magical kindness." Lisa waved as they disappeared into the glowing trees. From then on, whenever Lisa felt the wind, she smiled, knowing her fairy friends were safe and that helping others brought a little magic into her life too. Helping others is always a magical adventure. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey with Tale Tinker. We hope you enjoyed today's story and it sparked your imagination. If you love exploring new adventures, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you never miss a tale.